One of my favorite sayings is just because life gives you a cactus doesn't mean you have to sit on it. And we spend a lot of time sitting on the cactus. And we do that by getting really mixed up about the things we can and can't control. And when we are too busy trying to control things we can't, we're sitting on the cactus. And when we give up control of the things we can, we're still sitting on that cactus. So a lot of times when bad things happen, when we're going through difficult or unwanted situations or hard changes, we get stuck ruminating, meaning we're just chewing on negative thoughts. I don't want this. I don't like this, but we can't change it. What we can do is change our attention, our attitude, and our actions. Those are the things that we can control. So I like to really focus on those. It means accepting things as they are. I have a cactus, and then making the best of it. And here's what I'm going to choose to focus on with my attention. Here's the attitude I'm going to choose to have. And these are the actions I'm going to choose to take to try to make the best out of a hard situation. Now, if you'll notice, I'm not saying to just be positive because sometimes things really are hard. And yet, even in the worst of circumstances, the most difficult circumstances, we can choose to find a bright spot to focus on. We can choose to tap into resilience, and we can still be the kind of person we want to be despite those circumstances.